Hey everybody, Chris Matan here, Real Estate Machine Show. It's towards the end of the day. I'm in the shop, I'm in the inspection room. You can kind of see behind me what's going on. And I wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update. It seems to me, and I don't know if everybody is feeling this in the little machine shop space, but I think things are picking up. I got a bunch of new orders that I put in this week. It's been a really, really good month. I got something big on the horizon. And, I'm like cautiously optimistic, but I'm very encouraged, considering it's like the middle of summer practically. Um, you know, Traditionally, arguably a slow time for shops. I'm feeling an uptick. I see a lot more RFQs coming across my desk. I'm winning more of them. So I don't know. I'm kind of in a good place here. I'm excited. I'm happy. And I'll also have a new assistant that I've touched on here or there. And yes, it is an AI agent, believe it or not. I figured out a way to get AI to help me with some of the admin stuff that I do around here. Look, it's no joke, it's no secret that I wear a lot of hats, and one of the things that I do is I actually input all of these orders. And it kind of it starts with a quote, but once it becomes an order, we kind of create a job traveler. You've got the print. This gets out to the shop floor. There's an inspection report that gets generated out of this, a setup sheet. Various things go into these folders that find their way out onto the shop floor. And I figured out a way for AI to help me create those digital files that ultimately get print up and put into those folders. So I have it set up where every hour, kind of on the hour between 6 a.m. and 6 p.m., I get an alert basically saying that's looking at my email and saying, hey, this new order came in, here's the customer, here's the that. And then all I got to do is give it the go ahead and say, set up this folder, and it sets it up. And then in the meantime, I'll get the order inputted into our ERP system and then upload the job traveler to the new order that the AI just created, the folders that it just created. And then it takes the information, not only from the PO, but it takes the information from the job traveler and fills in the inspection report and the, kind of the main details of the stuff. And really, it's been a lot of fun watching this thing work. It does save me some time. And I do feel like I have a little bit of an assistant. And it's been, I've been doing this for about 30 days now. And I really noticed, I'm noticing more and more what these capabilities are, and I want to add to them, and I want to improve upon them, and I want to build another one. And I got now they call it like a morning brief. I got that set up for me. So every morning at 8 o'clock in the morning, I get a brief based on what's going on in my business, what's going on in my emails, what I need to do, what's in my calendar, and all that. So it kind of keeps me on track, keeps me a little inspired, a little motivated, and gives me more time to dedicate to the guys on the shop floor, to my customers, to my vendors, and even, guess what, to my family, which I think is kind of cool. So anyway, I just wanted to get on here and, share a little love and a little positivity on what good things are happening in manufacturing. I hope you all are doing well in your businesses and have a great day. And you also know where to find me, marchmachine.com. You can also go to the realestateMachineShow.com. I got 2 offerings on that site related to manufacturing and multifamily sellers in Northeast Ohio. Go check out that stuff. Look forward to talking to you real soon. Have a great day.